came across. नहीं sorry. Cut. Okay.
Devi, since you're involved in the theatre group in so many ways, you're assistant director, you're the senior editor also, you stay at home all the time and practices are there. So how do you see the functioning of the theatre group and how do you see the functioning of the board of Noontide in particular?
None of the concern बोले हमने. Hi everyone, welcome to the Mondays with Merchant of Venice.
I am Keshav and I am the editor-in-chief of the Noontide.
I am Devi and I am the senior editor of the Noontide as well as the assistant director of the play.
Today we will talk about our experience with working the Noontide as well as how we got introduced to MOV and how the experience has been for us joining TMT for the past 2-3 weeks.
I got to know MOV when I was in grade 10. We had it in our studies.
Okay. And even me, I got introduced to MOV since it was a part of our curriculum, English curriculum in grade 9. And I studied it for the next 2 years and I had my boards for it. And my experience was pretty good because I did enjoy reading a play. Because just like you can't enjoy a movie by reading the subtitles, you can't enjoy a play just by reading the dialogues. So that was a very big challenge for all of us. But we had a really good teacher. That was my first interaction with Shakespeare and I loved it. I loved the play. And I ended up watching the play, watching the movie after my boards, after my exams were over. And it was a good experience for me and I did realize why Shakespeare is so well read, why is he so referenced to, why is he so referred to, why is he so famous even after 5 centuries of his death.
I'll share my experience about the Noontide. So the way you look at the paper, it doesn't seem like we have a lot of fights, but yes, I get very frustrated with articles that I have to correct, especially when there is no content. And yeah.
Even I agree, it hasn't been very easy for all of us. This is my first role as an editor-in-chief. I haven't been in any capacity before. So it has been very challenging, very difficult because lot of our people in our board are not from Surat. So communicating with them, making sure the deadlines are met, it's a bit difficult. And but I think it's a part of the learning process because I am enjoying this process because this is my first time when I am doing such a job and making sure, and since it's like you can't take a sick leave, you have to produce an article, you have to produce a publication every 14 days no matter what. So that also teaches you discipline, that also teaches you teamwork, which we do lack but we're still working on it. And one thing that I've realized is that and I think that's true for every organization, every business, that when you have success, the credit goes to everyone, the whole team. But if there's a failure, if there's a mess up, if there's a lapse, the blame goes to the head, because at the end of the day, he's the one who's responsible. At the end of the day, he's the one who will have to answer questions. And that might be harsh, that might be unfair, but that's what it is. And I have no complaints, I have no regrets doing this, and I hope to learn a lot from this.
Okay, so adding on to what he said that we won't take the blame, we will. All of us sail in the same boat. Okay, we will take the blame. Don't worry about that.
When you come in my shoes, then you will realize it. Anyways,
okay, still I wouldn't agree to that.
Fair enough. Let's agree on something. Devi, I heard you are known as the Hinchak of TMT. Is it true?
Yes.
Why are you named so?
I write the gossip section.
So how do you come across those gossips and how do you write them?
Coming across the gossips is like you have to be very attentive all the time. And I am not a person who would communicate a lot, so it's a little easier for me because I just sit and I'm just listening to whatever they're talking. It may sound a bit like eavesdropping, that's what I do all the time.
So who do you think is the best gossip? So who's the star of the Twitter platform?
It has to be Manan, Lorenzo. I love him. He gives me gossips like this.
Divya, since you're involved in the theatre group in so many ways, you're the AD also, you're the senior editor also. So, do you have any comments on the functioning of the theatre group or functioning of the board? Because we have had some errors in our publication. So, any comments on that?
It is very difficult to communicate, as he said earlier. So we have so many communication gaps. What do we say? Errors? Huh?
Labs.
Laps. That is just very annoying. I call people and be like, where is your article? They're like, sorry, I haven't written the article. I'm at my granny's place. She's sick and stuff like that, which is very annoying. But at the end of the day, it comes out pretty well. And yeah, there are errors, but yeah.
We're working on it.
Yeah, we're
I'm
working
sure
on it.
we'll keep reducing them day by day.
And balancing Noontide and the post of the assistant director is very simple for me because I don't particularly ask people to do. I suggest the director and the director puts it into action. So pretty easy for me.
Basically, assistant of director.
Huh. You asked me about how I am adjusting the two. I think I should ask you that how are you managing two internships at a time?
It's been tough, definitely. I have to attend so many meetings here at Krishna Space because these things clash. But I am loving it because this keeps me very busy. My classes are not there. It's a break in my college, so I do not have anything else to do. And doing these internships and working here, it has kept me busy. And it's fun. It's very good to learn new things because I don't know anyone in Surat. And coming here, interacting with so many people from across fields, across walks of life, it has been really good, enriching for me. I got to know people, and to be honest, coming to Midday Theatre is the most happening day of my life, of my day, because I do not have anything else to do. I hardly get out of my house, and coming here gives me a chance to get out, communicate with people, interact with people. So I love it, and yes, it has been tough. It has been tough juggling all these three things together. But I think, as I said, it's a part of the learning process, and when you grow older, you'll have better, more serious and better commitments which you have to juggle. So I assume that I'm learning things, and the mistakes, the disappointments, the mess ups, these are just a part of the process. With this, we come to an end of this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. To get your own issue of the Noontide, please head to our Instagram page and fill out the Google form in the story highlights. Till then, see you. Thank you.